So what's up, guy? Welcome back. This is your boy Nick from 3D Animation Guru, and today I have this tutorial that I want to show you how you can make your own game character. And like you can see here, I have a folder. I'm using the software which I call the Character Creator 3, which you can get it on the Revolution Market. Like if you just come here, this is Character Creator 3, where you can use it to make like game character. You can use it to make so many things, animation, and AR and VR are also. So what we're just going to do is that we are going to make a game character using this software. So what makes a game character? Before, I just want to show you something. I have my character here already done, and I would like first of all to set this character to the icon, and then we see how many meshes this character has. And when you're making a game, you want to make your game load fast, because nobody will just like to play a game which doesn't load fast, which is slow, or which takes a very big memory. So if you're making a game character, you need to reduce all those things. And to make, if you're doing the animation, you just don't need to do all those things, because you can ladder your video and it just uploaded to the YouTube. But when you're making a game, you have to consider what people want. And I'm just first of all going to load this one here. It's not going to take long. Let's see. Let me repeat the process again. Export character creator. Okay, now it's loading. And then now you can see the project. This one will show you the video memory that is inside, only for this character. Then we are going to dress this character, like we can use some cloth, and then we see how many video memory is going to be occupied by this only one character. Remember, your game has so many things. So now you can see like this one, you have like 37,000 and 1 GB out of 2 GB video memory. So now what you're going to do is that, let me just now try to dress. I have some clothes here that they come already for this character. They give you for free, like you don't need to. Let me just see where they are. Okay, let me wait a minute. My computer has hung. Not that one. What is happening? So let's just dress this character, those clothes here. And now we set this character back and see how many video memory that is going to be by just one character. But remember, when you're just going to make your own game, you need like you know, a game character may need more than 5 characters. It depends with each game if you just have to have the enemy. So the better you reduce all those frames, the better it is. So we're just going to leave this character like that one, and then we export this character back to icon. Export back to icon and see. What is going to happen. So I'm just waiting for this to finish. And if you have not subscribed, now check. Yeah, the video memory remains 1. Now it's 1.2 because of the crop. But the meshes, the triangle selected, they are 58. That's only one character. If you just now make 10 of those characters, I promise you that game is going to be so big. So now we can to make a game character, you just need to reduce the video memory, and also you try to reduce the number of meshes that you have for this character. So what you're going to do is that we go back to our character creator, and the first thing I do is just to select everything about this character, and I'm going to convert this character to game based. So I just need to click here. It's just going to ask me Sigo material. Let me just use a Sigo material. I don't want to go for the multiple. The less you can just leave it, you can just check, like, just leave it the same way it is at 512. Just click convert. And then just say okay. And then this one is just going to do the topology of this mapping to reduce all the meshes. This might take 1 to 2 minutes. I don't expect it to be so long. And it's just going to bake the texture, going to reduce everything. That's so easy with the character creator 3. And after that, I can just show you like how you can export this character to places like Unreal Engine, Breda. You can export this character to their unit or any other game engine. There's so many game engines that you can use, and then export this character there. So you can just check on it, but let's first of all finish. I'm just waiting for this one to finish baking. I like to talk, that's me. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe down there, and don't forget to hit the bell to get the notification when I upload every new video. And I'm so happy for those people who have been subscribing. I've been having so many subscribers on my channel. I'm so thankful. Like, I've been doing tutorial for now less than a year, and it's amazing. Like, I'm so happy for you guys. Like, I'm so happy for you guys. So I'm waiting for this. The baking may take some things, and when you bake it, you cannot return this character back to not a game character. So if you have to do anything of this one, just consider yourself that you're just going to bake it to a game character. What you just need is a game character, because reversing, maybe you just undo. You can just undo the changes, but if you save the file to do undo, it's not easy anymore. So just give you a lot of stress. So I'm expecting it's going out. It's almost done now, and now you see, now you can just click here to rotate to neutral base. So before we do anything, let's remember the number of frames that we had was 58,743. 58,743. So now let's go back and export this character back to Icon, and I'll see how many frames we have reduced. So if you want it, so I've done so many tutorials, you can just check. Now look, you have reduced up to 200, and look, the video memory was 1.2 GB. It's now 0.7. That is amazing. We are not done. Like, we are not done. We have some things to do. So to reduce this one, so what I just like to do is that I would like, we don't need the eyes to be the normal eyes, and also we don't need the mouth to see the teeth. They have also some like the mesh. So what I just do is that I just come here, I go to the eyes, and now here down somewhere we have some game eyes like this one. We have 2 of them. You can choose which one you want. Just load the eyes, the game eyes, then you go to the mouth, teeth, and now you have some game teeth here. Now you have the game teeth and you have the game arm. So now we can go back here and export and see how many we have reduced again. So let's check. Now we have 34. Look, we have reduced so many frames from 40, now it's 34. So with that one, I'll tell you, like, if you make more of those characters, even when you start animating or just playing, your character, like, let's see whether, like, let me just put a motion here. Maybe we can motion plus, maybe a motion. Let me see. We can take one of this one here, and then maybe take alone. Maybe we can take just a phone call and play it, and you see how this character is responding so quick, because the character is not occupying a very big memory or whatever. And you can also add like 10 of those characters here. So now if you just want to export this character to the Unreal Engine, just click here out the Blender, just click FBX. You see like this one is already Blender selected. You can choose one of those one like Unity 3D or Unreal Engine, and then just export. If you don't want to bring this character here, you can export direct from the character creator. Just go to the export, go to the FBX with Cloth. Now you have all this one. You can also, I think, reduce the ROD, the quality and everything, of which I'm not going to do on this video. I'll show you on another video to do this one, but you can only do this one when you have the pipeline. So you can just come here and do the same one. Select if you want to cater for Unity 3D, Unreal Engine, Motion Builders, Cinema 4D, or Blender. And that's how you make your game character. And you can also sell this character online. This character belongs to you. So thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you next on my next video. Bye for now, guys.